Hi traders, you're welcome back once again to the Bullish Bear FX Academy. My name is Tim Legend. I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. So you're welcome back once again to the 2024/2025 trading syllabus. Here in this channel, our goal is to teach you a whole lot you need to know and probably everything you need to know about trading from start to finish till you become a professional in this. And the goal is we want to take you guys step by step until we make sure that you are good in the trading industry. So what you want to do in case it is your first time here is to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and please, as a way to show the support and as a way to show that indeed you appreciate our efforts and what we're doing in this channel, make sure to hit the like button. And at the course of the video, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop them on the comment section, because based on your question, I will understand where you need more explanation and know how to teach you more even in subsequent videos. All right, so make sure you engage in the comment section. So let's get into the main video.
We're going to be talking about psychological levels. But before we get into psychological level, just to use style and wait for our fellow to join, let us have a little recap on the things we've learned so far. Yeah. So I think let me just go chatting. Also good, we've learned candlestick patterns, chart patterns, support resistance, then supply and demand. So let us say, for instance, we come into the chart and then we want to begin a simple analysis to make some pips out of the market. Now, as a trader, the first thing that comes to your mind each day is, what am I here to do? Right? What am I here to do? And you're probably here because you want to grab some money out of the market. Okay? First of all, every trader must learn to take this as a business. Okay? So once you've taken it as a business, then you're going to have to invest time to do the needful, which is to make your analysis. You don't want to just come into the market and place buy or sell anywhere. No. So placing your analysis, running your analysis makes sense before you begin trade for the day. The analysis is very important. So I hope you guys are seeing my charts. Currently on Euro USD. I hope everybody is on my charts. Can you see my
Yes,
column?
sir.
Yes, yeah. But I don't know, the sound is a bit horrible. I don't know whether it's from my end or it's from your end.
Really? I don't know. I
Yeah,
don't know.
it's from your hand.
Oh,
Is it?
okay. Okay.
No, it's
Thank
from
you.
Mr. Simpson.
It's from my end.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like is doing some zzz noise or
No,
so.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Really? Okay, that's not making sense. And probably maybe my mic is getting bad. I'll have to change it as soon as possible. But I believe you guys can
Okay.
hear me though. I hope I'm kind of audible than the noise.
Yeah, for that one, sure.
All right. Let me also close my room door. All right. So when you get into the chart, the first thing you want to do is you want to check out the market's movement. Okay. Once you understand where the market is going to, then you can know what you want to look out for. That's the first important thing to always check out. So right now, looking at the market, I can see that the market is bullish. The market is currently bullish. Oh, yeah. I think I will just have to see things here. Okay, so the market is bullish. What does that tell me? It tells me that I am going to be looking for buying opportunities. But looking for buying opportunities is going to have to be based on your time frame. The market could be bullish in a daily time frame, but could be bearish in your lower time frames. So if the market is bullish in the daily time frame and you head over to a lower time frame like from the 4 hour downward and you see that the market is bearish, you don't want to stress yourself looking for buying opportunities that day. Just look for selling opportunities. But that has to be based on some certain facts. Okay? That has to be based on some certain facts. Now, what facts? Remembering what I taught you guys about market structure. Okay? I told you guys simply that market structure is based on how the market moves higher high, higher low for an uptrend. Okay? For an what? Uptrend. So, understand this, guys. If the market is bullish on a daily time frame, this thing should just not give me troubles now. If the market is bullish on a daily time frame, okay, and it has it just recently created, it just recently came out of a low or a pullback on a daily time frame, all right, and has headed straight to a zone where it has probably found a resistance on a daily time frame. What comes into your mind? The next thing that is to happen is that the market might likely fall back to create another higher low before the next up move. Okay, so that simply means this is going to likely be the beginning of a pullback. Right, this is likely going to have to be the beginning of a pullback. Where do I find drawing? Need a drawing. I haven't used this goal chart for illustrations. I need the marker. Let me see. Just give me a second, guys. Checking out for something. Can't find what I'm looking for anyway, but let's just proceed. So if you end up on a daily time frame, okay, you found price here about to create a pullback which is still on its way yet to move, which the pullback is just on its way yet coming down. Daily time frame. If you head to the 4 hour time frame, you're likely going to see a downtrending market. Okay, why will you see a downtrending market? You're going to see a downtrending market because price is currently on the pullback for the daily time frame, and we all know that the daily time frame for price to get moved from here down to here on the daily time frame is going to take like 2 or 3 or 4 days. I just want you guys to understand the reason why when you see a bullish trend in the daily time frame, you can still look for selling opportunities in lower time frames. Okay, we all know that if price is on a mere pullback for a daily time frame, it might likely take 2 to 3 days, and you don't want to say, because I'm a trend trader, I only trade with the trend and the daily time frame is uptrend, I must only look for buying opportunities. Therefore, if I don't see buying opportunities, I'm not going to trade for the entire 3 or 4 or 5 days or 6 days or more that is going to take price to complete this pullback for a daily time frame. So you don't have to wait for price. So what you're going to do is when you head to the lower time frames and you end up seeing price giving you a downtrending move, trader, look for selling opportunities for that day. I hope I'm communicating. Look for selling opportunities for that day. Very important. Okay, very important. You need to understand that. Okay, because for people who don't understand that logic, that's why most times you see yourself looking for buying opportunities and price keep going deep. You buy, price keep going deep, hitting your stop loss, and you say to yourself, "But my mentor taught me trade with the trend." Yes, trade with the trend. That's the coolest thing to do. But you don't. But you have to use wisdom to know how to trade with the trend. In fact, if I must place it like this, every single time frame has their trend in them. Okay? Every single time frame has their trend in them. The only thing is that higher time frame trends are usually the leader trends. Okay? But when a higher time frame trend is on a way on a pullback, okay, you can grab some opportunities out of it. That does not mean you're scalping. That does not mean you're trading against the trend. You're still trading with the trend. Now, what do I mean? For instance, you can take a good look at the market right now. If we go to daily time frame, okay, if we go to daily time frame, we will get to see that from here, okay, we'll get to see in a daily time frame that from here to here is kind of an uptrend, but from here to to where price is currently, we observe that it's actually a downtrend. Okay, so that is a downtrend in the market does not mean I must only sell. If I go to a lower time frame and find price that probably price has gone down and is on its way heading up, that does not mean I must continue to wait for the day it to start coming down. If I will have to wait for the day to start coming down, take a look at from here where the pullback began, which is Sunday, 4th September 2022, all the way to where price is currently. Is is currently on June. All right. Sorry. Yeah, that's okay. I placed the replay. Currently at July, Sunday, 2023, all the way from 2022 to 2023, price has been in an uptrend. And a trend trader would have said, no, I must only look for selling opportunities. If you don't find selling opportunities, your price will continue to hit you every day, every single day, every single day. You get it? But by the time you head to a lower time frame, you will find good support levels where you can place buying opportunities. The only thing, what you just want to do is you want to ask yourself, in this daily time frame, this price moving to the upside, where is it likely going to end? All right, that's what that's the first thing you're going to have to ask yourself. Then, if you can figure out where the uptrend market, this up move might likely end, and you see that it's very far away, you can look for buying opportunities because you're going to make a lot of pips out of it. So if I had to look into this and say to myself that, oh yeah, where is this move now going to end? I would likely have to say to myself that this is where the move is going to end here. That's just my mere analysis, okay? Even though the move ended here and gave a pullback, but this will be my first mode of interpretation that here was a support before and you might likely turn resistance. So if I'm seeing opportunities here, I have to keep buying along, keep buying along. And from here, all the way from here to here, it took about from 2022 to August 2022 to from here to here, December 2022 is a lot of time to wait for price to continue downtrending move. I hope you guys understand what I'm insinuating, guys. So because it's important, I map this out for you guys so that you would know that it does it does not mean that if you see price going up, you must follow it like that. No, as you have to do this with wisdom for your higher time frames. You don't dare try it on lower time frames like 1 hour and lower. No, this rule is strictly for daily time frame and probably maybe 8 hour time frame. But from 4 hour time frame, please start following the trend you see in the 4 hour. Okay,